Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now, the last year or so has not been particularly good for a lot of people. It's been very, very stressful. And this is the time when actually people are making few changes in their life. They're slowing down the pace of their life, looking at many things to calm them down. And Vipassana is one of them. So Vipassana actually literally means seeing things as they really are. And if you really want to try out Vipassana, there is a Vipassana center in Ras Al Khaimah. And these are the guys who do regular courses and train people in the basics of Vipassana so that you can actually practice it sufficiently and experience the benefits as well. A lot of Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities have done this as well. And the good thing here is that this is absolutely free. They don't charge you anything, not even for your food and accommodation. This is actually funded by people who've seen the benefits of Vipassana and want others to experience it as well. So if you want more information, you've got to do nothing at all. Just watch this story.
Welcome to Vipassana Meditation Center UAE. We are based in Ras Al Khaimah. We conduct our courses in a resort called En Khat Resort. Vipassana is a very ancient technique which is rediscovered by Gautam Buddha, which was brought to India or across the world by our principal teacher, Mr. S.N. Goenka. And the same technique, the same courses runs across the world now. We have almost 300 and plus centers in 94 countries. You will be, surprised to see that in Ras Al Khaimah, in this resort, 80 nationalities have come and done the courses. We have a complete segregation of male and female students. And we have two Dhamma halls, one for male and one for female. And we have our own cook here who makes the food. Pure vegetarian food is served. This Vipassana meditation is a 10 days residential course. So it's a selfless technique where no money is charged. And a person has to come here. It's a complete noble silence course. And for after the 10 days, we have a Metta Day, which is loving kindness. The noble silent breaks and you can see the smiles on the students' face.
My name is Mariam Al-Qasimi and I am a yoga, breathwork and meditation teacher here from the United Arab Emirates. So we're very fortunate here in the UAE to have the first regional Vipassana meditation center. It is such a wonderful resource for people who live in the UAE but also from abroad. And I know many Emiratis who have come to experience this practice, and it is just a wonderful tool. And Goenka himself used to come to the UAE for quite some time and give instruction and share his teachings. So we're very, very blessed.
Place is growing like a very good way, like even the volunteers who are coming and helping us with the seva, they are totally into it, and doing that work, the satisfaction which you get, it's immeasurable in words or in anything.
So my wife and I started back in 2004 and we've maintained that practice over the last 16 years. We were going to try and go once a year, but we've made it about once every 2 years. So we've taken 8 courses in the last 16 years.
There are many things that I've learned out of the first course, and some of them are very fundamental to just how people would live. And so, for example, is that we basically are in silence, but we can communicate beyond. So we don't need words to communicate and respect each other.
After I took my first course, it was confirmed that all answers are within us. So it definitely helps us to face the challenges of, and especially 2020 has showed us how many challenges we have, but also about issues we had in our past life or the previous years, let's say. And I can highly recommend it.